Hey there, I am currently in an office working, as you can see. It's my last few days of work. I'm speaking pretty softly because my boss is pretty close by. Yeah. I've been on T now for over 3.5 months. My voice is pretty deep. Pretty cool. And I'm currently working on filing for my passport, my gender change on my passport. Pretty awesome. So I plan to do a more in-depth submission, upload, whatever you call it. Soon talk about gender with kids, being out as a feminist but not as a trans person with the kids, which is really weird. I don't know. And yeah. I'm sending hugs.